So, we just encountered a snake. What are your afterthoughts?
Well, I'd just like to say that I was quite terrified. I've never been around a snake that big so close. Actually, I have, but it was way bigger. But this one was scary. It was so scary. I was so scared. I've never been more scared in my life. It was so wriggly and lively. I was scared.
Scared?
I was very scared.
Good to know.
Scared.
Do you have any advice for anyone who else might come up against a little snake in the
Stay
future?
calm. Don't freak out. If you freak out, it'll freak out, and it'll freak out on you 10 times worse than you could possibly imagine. It could bite. It could rip. It could somehow catch you and then squeeze your body lifeless. It could bite you. Did I say that already?
Yeah, I think you
Sorry,
did.
mate. It can bite you, or it can scare you half to death and give you a heart attack. Now, you don't want that. So there's 4 steps into what you should do when you see a snake. 5, actually. You stay calm. You call for help. You take a picture. You get a weapon.
Why take a picture?
Because when the animal patrol comes and they need to see, like if they want to see if it got away before they could catch it or kill it, they should see whether or not it was a deadly snake or not. And if it's still in your house, and say if it's a garden snake, those aren't very deadly. But if it was a boa constrictor or something of that nature, or a very deadly
Ma'am,
venomous
we live
snake.
in Georgia. I don't think you're gonna come across a boa constrictor just laying in the middle of your floor. So
You never know. People have found boa constrictors wrapped up in their toilets, and when they went for a pee in their knicker, they got bit in their bum. You never know what happens, what could happen. You have to take many precautions. So whenever you go to take a bathroom break in your knicker, you have to lift up the seat and check and sort of put your hand in the knicker and feel around to see that maybe there could be something in there. Like
are you really you're like mixing British and Australian, and your knickers are your pants. So I'm not very sure what you're talking about right now.
In Australia, knicker can be both pants or the toilet bowl.
Okay then.
So there's also been cases of boas being in your knicker, both your pants or your toilet bowl. Baby boas being in your shoes.
Ma'am.
Yes.
We're in Georgia, ma'am. We're not gonna come across boas in our knickers.
Well, you see,
and our shoes.
I have seen some very odd cases where they've been in your knickers, both in your shoes, your pants, and in your toilet bowl, both. It's crazy. It's a crazy world. You never know.
Okay, well, thank you for...
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you for,
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So, thank you. So,
thank you.
You're welcome. Now, thank you. We're gonna...
Thank you.
Thanks. Yeah, okay. We're gonna go now.
You don't have any more questions for me. See, I've done so many things. I've worked with so many different animals, and I'm so busy in my life.
Thank you, really. Thank you. That's all we needed.
That's
all we needed.
If you have any more tips, I'm here with Wendy Lowry doing boa constrictors RS. Hit us up at boaconstrictor.com. Bye.
Thank
Adios.
you. Thank you.